welcome back to my channel Study with Body Wisdom. Stay healthy, keep learning, and live happy life. I always pray for you. Then now I'm going to start um, how you will always happy in your life, because there are lots of kind people live around us, but we can learn from them. What I tell you that, okay? Don't blame to others, because good people give happiness, bad people give experience, and worst people give a lesson, and the best people leave memories. So you know that what I'm telling you. And now, on which route will India's first hydrogen powered train pilot project operate? Option I'm sharing on screen. Like, share, and subscribe.